So I'm getting the smoker ready. Got some hickory chips in there. I'm gonna do some ham, macaroni and cheese and bacon, and it's gonna be real good. Yeah, put a maple glaze on the ham. Put the finishing touches on it. Let this smoke up a little bit. Be ready to cook. Okay, so the ham I dotted with cloves. I put a mixture of pure maple syrup, nutmeg, allspice, and ginger in a baste. Woo! I've been basting it, letting it get room temperature. I'm going to place it on the in the smoker here in a minute after it gets warmed up. You want to cook it at 225 degrees for approximately 3 hours, or internal temperature of 140, 145. Okay, we got the temperature at 225, just what we want it. Let's see how it's doing inside. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Still got a long ways to go. I'm going to add some more coals. Okay, we're 1 hour into it. Just added some more hickory to the smoker. It's looking good. And I'll check back a little bit later. About 1 hour and 45 minutes into it now. Looking good. Another 20 minutes, I'll put some pineapple on it. Okay, we're going to smoke some macaroni and cheese with bacon. Let me get started mixing all the ingredients. Okay, we got 2 cups of sharp cheddar, shredded, finely shredded. We got 5 cheese Italian mixture. That's Parmesan, mozzarella, provolone, and Romano. And then we got the Mexican blend, Monterey Jack, cheddar, and cream cheese. Let me mix it all together here. Okay, now we're putting 8 ounces of cream cheese in there. We cubed it. Mix it all up. Add the liquid ingredients. Okay, now I'm crumbling up 6 pieces of crispy bacon. Add in here. Are you bacon lovers? Okay, I added a tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of pepper. Alright, that calls for a pint of whipping cream, which is 2 cups, and a cup of milk. We only use Winder Farms, delivered to our home by the milkman, which is pretty cool. So that's it for now. Okay, after I spread the breadcrumbs and crushed cornflakes on top, I added 9 pats of butter, about 1/4 inch thick, 3/4 stick, half stick. Now I'm ready to put it in the smoker for about 1 hour, and we'll check it out. Okay, we got about half hour to go. It's looking good here. This ham is looking good. Macaroni and cheese is not quite there yet. It'll get there though. So here's the finished product. Getting ready to slice it up, but just wanted to let you know. Looks pretty good. Thank you. Have a good day. And this is the macaroni and cheese completed. We're about to dig in here. Have a happy new year. Thank you. The ham is so moist. Look at that. You can see the moisture right on the ham. Just melts in your mouth. I tell you, smoking is the only way to go.